Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. I made one only yesterday, but we've obviously already had a reaction to the support area that I indicated in yesterday's update. And I just want to highlight here this short-term price action that we see here. I already shared in our Discord community that we already had a micro 5-wave move up. But that was already when it was gone. So I just wanted to make a video, a follow-up to indicate where we might be heading. Really only focusing on the shorter time frame, really just designed as a quick express video because we see a potential 5-wave structure form. The low could be in this wave too. I explained the overall structure in yesterday's video. Feel free to check yesterday's up. It's still out. It's still up to date. And we were watching for a reaction from this yellow area, a potential impulsive reaction. Now, because we have a problem on this chart, which is a truncation, which I explained in yesterday's video from a bullish point of view, because we have a truncation, we need to be on the side of caution. And I highlighted to you that any corrective rally isn't really helpful from here. So I need to see another impulse that's large enough for me to say, okay, with confidence, a low is in, because I need extended proof. Because we are dealing with a truncation. The only way I can count the move of the October lows as a 5-wave move really is as a truncation. And truncation means that the 5th wave was not able to push above the 3rd. But the truncation requires that we have 5 waves up, which we have in this move up. So 5 waves in the 5th wave. It is, however, still not great. And therefore I need to see extended proof that we really bottomed. And how do we get that? Well, we get it by another 5-wave move to the upside of the recent lows, followed by a 3-wave pullback. The 5-wave move needs to be large enough, however, to make it trustworthy. And therefore I have sketched out here the ideal structure. So we've got a small 1-2 setup already of the recent lows, which indicates, okay, we have a chance, but this first small impulse here in wave 1 could also be an A wave. This move down could be a B wave. And the move up could be a C wave. Again, we need to see 5 waves up. That means I would like to see somewhere from this region. Ideally, the 3rd wave pushes a little higher. Ideally, the 3rd wave pushes to around about 23.30, maybe even 23.58. Then we should see a wave 4. Important is that we are holding critical support levels now, which I'm going to indicate. And then the 5th wave could possibly reach the 200% extension at 23.58, depending on how high the 3rd goes. Maybe even the 2.618 extension at $24, This would be a perfect 5-wave move. Again, where the wave 5 will land will depend to a degree on the length of the 3rd. Now, again, I don't trust this until I have all 5 waves completed. The purpose of this video is to tell you what are the parameters that need to hold now and need to be fulfilled to keep this count alive. And the main level I have is the 50% retracement level of the end of wave 2 to the current high. And that's at $22.70. So if that level breaks, it is, okay, it's not invalidation of any further upside in this count. But it indicates already that there is weakness and it takes away the impulsive potential of this move to the upside. So to keep this count alive and to keep the idea alive that we could have bottomed here on the 13th of November, we need to see 5 waves up. We need to see it hold the 50% FIB level. That will extend. I mean, if we push higher from here, this 50% FIB level is always measured from the wave 2 low to the current high. So it will move up with the price, okay? So it's always the 50% FIB level until we have all 5 complete. Because a 4th wave shouldn't break below the 50% FIB level, or it will take away the impulsive potential of the move. So that's what I want to see. I'm cautious until I see all these 5 completed. Then what we would watch then for is a 3-wave pullback afterwards, basically an A wave, B wave, C wave. That would be ideal, and then this would be the next setup. So that's sort of what I see here. I just wanted to explain that to you. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out our channel membership. Also, if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as updates about certain stocks, check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. Certainly interesting on a day like this, where we had quite a few volatile moves due to the catalyst we had today, which is CPI. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.